Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and today we'll be talking about the Logitech G413, which I've recently purchased for myself. Now, I'm going to go through some of the specs, my thoughts of it, doing the key test, and even talking about the price and should you get it or not. But otherwise we're going to get into the unboxing first, but if you want to skip over that, don't worry, there's chapters, so you can skip to the part that you want to watch anyways. But the unboxing will be sped up a bit, so if you want to watch through it, you can, but otherwise, talk to you guys after the unboxing. Okay, so let's go over some of the main specs of this keyboard. So the keys for this keyboard is the Roger G Tactical, which is 25% faster apparently compared to Logitech's competitors. Now they do say it's fast, fast, precise, and also has a quieter click to it, which also I will show with a test with the clicking later on in the video. But it's a nice keyboard. I mean, the keys feel nice, it feels comfortable. The body is really nice, it's nice and strong. It has an aluminium body. With the Logitech G413, it is in two different options. You have the carbon option, which also is a black version, and then you have the aluminium/silver, which is the one I have right here. Now, if I had to say what this probably works best, it's for Mandalorian fans, because it does look a bit like Mandalorian with the color scheme. But besides that, this keyboard is quite strong. It weighs over 1 kilogram, so it is a bit heavy, so you won't break it, and it's quite sturdy. Now also you get nice kickstands for the keyboard, so if you do want it to be a little bit raised, you can. But with the raised, I like it a lot. It's nice for gaming, it feels comfortable, it feels nice to type with, and I just love the way it feels. Now, this keyboard does in fact have two USB ports, well not ports but cables. So from the looks of it, you can have this on two PCs at once. So you can probably just switch from say for example, a streamer might use this for streams, because they'll probably have the one USB connected to the gaming PC and one connected to the actual streaming PC. So this is probably good for that scenario. Now, going straight to the price, you are looking at $89.99, or in South Africa, $1,799.99. Now I did in fact get this from Global Connections, which is a really well-known tech brand here in South Africa, which I really love. I mean, they sell nice products, they have the latest iPhones and all that, but I'm just giving them a little shout out because I do like their store a lot. But if I had to rank this keyboard, I'll say this is probably the best keyboard I've ever had in my life so far. Obviously, technology will advance even more, and obviously Logitech will advance their keyboards more. But I'll say this is a really nice keyboard. I'll say this is more for people that are wanting to get a gaming / typing keyboard, because it doesn't have RGB, but it does have one lighting phase with each color. So with the silver, you are going to get a white backlit keyboard or keys, and with the carbon, you'll get a red backlit key. And obviously with this keyboard, you do have the little breathing effect to it, which I will show, and you can just adjust the lighting a bit as well. Well, that's what's really say for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Trying something a bit different with the editing style. But if you guys enjoyed, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Let's get the channel to 1,000 subscribers before the end of the year, or even more. Will be really grateful to me, or really nice to me. I just hope you guys enjoyed. Comment down below, would you get this keyboard for yourself? And what else would you recommend for others to use? Alright, see you guys next video. Have a great day and be safe. Bye.